Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to stop TikTok from suggesting your account to others. If you want more privacy and don't want your profile recommended to contacts, Facebook friends, or people who may know you, just follow these simple steps. So, first, open TikTok and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right. Then in here, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and go to Preferences and tap Contacts and Location. So once you're here, under Suggest Your Account to Others, turn off all of these options. So you can turn off contacts. So this prevents TikTok from recommending your account to people in your phone contacts. You can also turn off Facebook friends and also people who open or send links to you. Next, under Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends, make sure to turn off Sync Contacts. So if prompted, just open Settings and go to Contacts, then select None. Then go back to TikTok. Again, go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Preferences, then go to Contacts and Location. So next, make sure you also turn off Sync Facebook Friends. If you've previously synced your contacts, you can tap Previously Synced Contacts to delete the contacts that were already uploaded to TikTok servers. You can also click Remove Previously Synced Facebook Friends and tap Remove to confirm the action. And that's it. So after disabling these settings and removing previously synced contacts, TikTok will use much less of your contact information to recommend your account to other people. And that's it. Thank you for watching.